Hello to all new Year 7s, parents and families. My name is Mr. Keates and I'm Assistant Head Teacher here at Framingham. We hope you're finding this series of videos useful to understand about the school. I'm going to talk about some of the platforms and systems we use to support Year 7s on their journey through Framingham High School. Firstly, I'm going to talk about My Child at School, our online platform for parents to follow their child's timetable, attendance and behaviour marks. Then I'm going to talk about Show My Homework, our online platform to help to support students with their learning outside of the classroom. And finally, I'm going to talk about our independent learning booklet, which we're excited to launch, as well as parents' evenings and reporting points. So My Child at School is a portal enabling parents to view their child's academic performance in real time via a web browser and a mobile app. This facility allows exclusive access to your child's attendance, assessment and behaviour whenever the parent or carer wishes. As well as student performance data, the portal also allows general useful information such as the academic calendar and announcements. Now on Thursday you will be receiving a parent mail from the school. Within that parent mail will have your login details for My Child at School. This will open the login page. And once you've gone to the website, My Child at School, you open the login page and you enter the details you've been supplied. This will be your school ID, your user ID, and your password. Ticking the Remember School ID and username means it remembers it for future logins. So all of this information will be coming out on Thursday. Now, once you have logged in and accessed, you will get a page much like this, but it'll have Framingham High School in the top left. The dashboard shows you lots of important information on that page. So you have academic calendar, announcements, assessments, attendance. This is where you can access the assessment points and the reports, behaviour and timetable. And if you have more than one child at the school, it'll all appear on the same account. Next, I'd like to talk about Show My Homework. So Show My Homework is the platform that we use to set and monitor the homework across the school set by different subjects and teachers. Through the school website, you can access the Show My Homework calendar. Now, even if you don't have a login, through that, clicking on that tab there, it will take you to a page much like this. When you have filters across here, you can select which year, what type of homework, what subject, the teacher, and then which specific class. And then underneath, it will show you all the different homework that has been set for that year group by that teacher or that subject. It shows it on the day that it's been set, and it allows you to see how much homework your son or daughter has at any particular time. Now, Show My Homework is available as an app on the phone. I know some of the Year 7 students already are starting to get the apps on their phones. In their computing classes, they will have the opportunity to register on Show My Homework in school. So we're hoping to take care of that. And then like with My Child at School, the login will be coming out on Thursday for parents with your PIN number and the details for how you can log in. And that will link to your child's account. If you log in, you can see up here where the login button is. It'll take you through the steps in terms of which school and your email address and the parent code which you will be supplied with. Then once you're in there, you can see a much more detailed picture of the homework specifically that has been set for your child. It shows you the date it was set and the date it was due. There are different types of homework, and so you can get a picture of how much work they've got on any time. And obviously encouraging them to get things done on the first night will help them to manage their workload, because they probably will notice there's more homework than they had at primary school. We do have assessment points coming out throughout the year, and you access these through My Child at School. These will give information about your son or daughter's progress, their engagement and learning inside and outside of the classroom, as well as their expected attainment in line with any data that we have on them. The first assessment point will be coming out on the 24th of November, and this will give information from different subjects on one specific assessment that they've done in that lesson, in that class. We also in March will have a parents' consultation evening, which at the moment we're doing in a socially distanced way, remotely, so watch this space for more details about that. Homework across the school is set differently in different subjects. We don't have a uniform policy. So some subjects might set it every week, some subjects per fortnight, and some might group it together into larger projects. However, this should amount to no more than 20 minutes per subject per week, 40 minutes per subject per week in core subjects, which are English, Maths and Science. Please do contact teachers if you have any concerns around homework. We really do try to set a good amount of time for the homework, so that teachers avoid setting homework which has to be in the next day or 2 days later, to give children time to organise themselves and be on top of it. But if they have any problems, firstly, the child should come and see the teacher if they have any problems with their homework, if they're not sure, they don't understand. We're excited to announce the launch of our independent learning booklet for Year 7s. This has been designed by subject teachers with lots of tasks and activities for children to get involved in if they are excited or passionate about a particular subject. This is something not compulsory, but for them to get into once they've finished any homework that has been set in that subject. Any tasks they do undertake in the booklet, they should come and tell their subject teacher afterwards, who I'm sure will be happy to give them recognition and reward for that. So thank you for listening. I hope you found it useful.